Welcome back. My name is Holly, and if you haven't been following along, we are Sullivan Building. We renovate homes for a living, and I'm going to walk you through what we've been doing lately. If you haven't watched the past episodes, have a look back and you'll get up to where we are now. But we are up to the final touches in the master ensuite, so keep following along and see what we have built. Tonight we are finishing the block work. So this was originally where the door and the window was in the shower. We're going to block it up and we are having a space so we can let some natural light in for a 1 by 1.1 meter window. Last night we finished doing all the block wall, so we got that up and now we are ready to waterproof it and sheet it. The block wall is now complete. Now let's just knock the timbers out of the niche and then we can get ready to sheet this wall.
That's not even that funny.
Yeah, it is.
It's a little bit.
The final wall is now getting waterproof, so I've gone through and I have taped all the corners. I'll give this a coat and then we'll make sure we give it a final coat before we can tile this wall.
Hey?
How do I make it?
I'll show you.
Put glue in a bucket with water and mix it.
Well, we don't need it just this second hole. We'll use this up. Wait a second. And Cuddy, you are.
It is Saturday afternoon, which means we have gained a helper for the day. which is always good. We are onto our second last wall of tiling. This is the 300 by 600 in vivid white. They have a matte finish. We just put them in with the click system, and that makes sure that all four corners are nice and level. We just finished doing another wall, so the 300 by 600 white wall tiles are now in, and then in the morning we will get on to doing the feature subway tiles.
You banging them off? The banger.
I'm pushing them on.
What about the banger?
No.
Should you? You what?
Oh, you're dramatic. Stop it.
You said I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just doing this right now. I'll bang one after.
No, but I'm just asking. You're so dramatic. Listen to you. You're so dramatic. You know who you got that off?
Who?
Cody.
Dramatic.
Yeah, because he calls you dramatic.
Does he?
Gives the white thing. You're so dramatic. He goes like that. Oh, you're so dramatic.
To who? Me?
Yeah. He directs it at you, yeah? Yeah. Is that bad? Get up there. Is that dramatic? Because usually, oh, yeah. Take it easy, you giant elephant.
Alright, we are on the home stretch now. This is the last wall to be grouted. We are nearly finished, and then we can move on to doing all the floor. So the floor will need waterproofing, then we can tile it, as you will see soon. Just finished work for the night. We have got our waterproofing done. We laid our screed on top for the shower base, so just sand and cement, and then we will waterproof that again tomorrow, let it dry for 24 hours, then we'll be set to tile after that. We have now got our floor tiles laid, so we've gone with a terrazzo look 600 by 600. So we've knocked all the clips out and now we can grout. We have gone with a grout with similar colour instead of going the ultra white, just so it blends in a little bit better. And we will be nearly finished and ready to put all of our fixtures in very, very soon. Alright, the glass is now installed, so what we do now is just go through silicone each side, and you got to move quickly with this so to make sure it bonds on each side, and then that is finished. We are onto the final touches in the bathroom, which is the vanity doors. So we're going to mark them all out. As you saw before, we have cut them all to length, so we cut all 4 ready to go, and now we are just marking out exactly where all of our fittings will go to connect it to the current vanity. Just got the last vanity door ready to go, so we had to cut them all to size, we put all the fittings on, and now we are ready to push it back on. Following along on this episode, and I hope you have liked what we have built. Next time we are into the master bedroom. As you can see, the work has started already and we are creating this huge space which will be 10 times better than what was here originally. So if you want to follow that, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.